Okay. Today, I will be showing you the activities that were carried on at the Kumba Central Prisons yesterday, the 30th of November 2021 by us. A friend called Papi London, who is a former international football player, originally from Kumba, based in the UK, contacted me, the president of the non-governmental organization called Prisoner Support. You can see it right here, Prisoner Support, which we have been working for so many years now with the prisons of Cameroon and also the prisons abroad. With my friend, who is a comedian, Sparko Lee, to organize for him a charitable visit at the Kumba Central Prison. I'm going to be showing you the activities that were carried on there. Remember, these images you're about to see is not to show off, but as an encouragement to you who is watching me right now. I know you have the money, I know you have the heart to do even 10 times than this, but you don't know how to go about it, or you don't have the courage to do it. Trust me, Prisoner Support is here to assist you. You can contact us at any time. We will assist you, and anything that you do for the prisoners, you are doing it directly to God, and you will never ever go unblessed. God never forgets those who visited the prisoners and give them good things. It is an instruction from heaven. You can read the Bible, Matthew chapter 25, verses 35 and 36. God said it all straight, finished there. Please contact this number if you want to do any charitable work at the prisons, anywhere in Cameroon. Prisoner Support, and I, the president, I will assist you. Watch the image. God bless you. Yes, my people, we are going straight now to the prisons, the Kumba Central Prison. You can see the whole car is full with all the items. You can see the right hand of Papi London behind. This is the London Complex, charitable walk to the Kumba Central Prison. As we always tell you, this is not to show off, but to encourage you that you have the money and you don't have the means to do it. The Prisoner Support is right here to assist you, and I'm very convinced God is going to bless you so big. We are entering the prison right now. Here we are at the Kumba Central Prison. We just arrived at the prison, and we have to start loading right now. We have to start uploading. Yes. This is the prison of Kumba.
Hello. Hello. Ngata Batsote Sokoto. Our spirit. I'm a first time for come for Kumba prison. And as soon as I don't see him, my name is Siwa International Old Pancho Nyanga Dross, aka Dirty Little Bets, alias bicycle way no find memory, you want big bag money, one. You must pull one for the end. If you don't pull one, the name no go complete. Me, I be comedian. If you see me, you see Sparko. I be actor, famous one for Co. And me, I be CEO for some organization where they call and say Prisoner Support. Una fi see am the right hand for back. Una fi see am for Sparko Lee back. Tommy cameraman flash arm. Aha, now in that. So actually, out now for prisoners them. You know, actually, my first time for see una superintendent. I need to ask una clap for you now because I deal with superintendent. From my spirit, he's a nice man. Una clap for you. A nice man. To be frank and sincere with you, I don't visit prison them, but Kumba prison not the most smooth, clean and organized prison I don't ever see them. Yes. I talk for una like person way in the work with prisons and prisoners them. to be frank and sincere with you, when I get a good papa, where he just did down to earth. You know, the check says over. Like your other gata where you will go there. Even yard man, the check says go pass. Now when I see you, when I repeat so, if you remember bad for you, I don't lie, you wanna know it to be law of karma more broken you. Because that man they so he get a genuine esprit, you wanna not have for you. Yes. So I want to show you now. Say this time, a prison event. Now event no be the event where all things they happen. This time I want promise you and assure you say we will shift at this time now for prison. And moment from now, I stand here like the CEO of Prisoner Support. I go make sure say a lot of friends away than they for diaspora where they don't get that courage for do this kind of thing the way Papi London don't do and so. I go make sure say a campaign for una behalf, make them do this kind of thing, they bring this kind, give them for una time and time again. I promise that. So without taking much of your time, I want to give you a very short advice. Una no follow na goat before enter the yard. No be goat will be the follow and they want you surprise you see yourself on gata. Na matter bring you here. So you must chop your color place. You walk your gata down so they are our reach you knock belly for all. No hurry. Because if you not see another gata them, I swear you enter for prison. All man don't turn a robot, so they work out. More she no stand by. Le new bell. You guys are well. So please respect yourself, respect the warders them. Now the only prison where I don't see a warder that they smile, I swear, and they lie when I clap for them. Do I not be commenting are true? Now the only prison. Warder they know the smile for the one they want to go back. This one, you see the way they take so free spirit where we now. So please, I beg una respect on yourself and we promise una say we're going to come for you time to time. God bless you now. Yes,
this is the eating competition. Bread and water at the Kumba Central Prison.
I want rap the rap. I want rap the rap. We don't live the rap. Me rap the rap. You know I rap the rap. Me I want rap the rap. I must rap the rap.
This is eating competition at the Kumba Central Prison. Don't bad. This man will finish bread with water.
We don't live the rap. Me rap the rap. You know I rap the rap. These are the rapper. Mama ni nyami nakarapa de kombo ya.
Spawn out here.
Because the men for the game to enter the game. Una drop the fuck when I go bring this award for this smoke ya. Then una go compromise and number under it. Now we batula, no be no canvas. I said joking, I don't give pictures, I don't see nothing. Even to travel out, you know one travel. Even to bring award, you know bring nothing. Even cup and spoon, man not see nothing. You say you want this one, you be footballer. Yalla what I said, say so for no matter. You be more for God, they say God will resign.
Hey, he don't bad. He don't bad, he don't bad.
I want rap the rap.
You
don't live the rap. Me rap the rap. Don't know what rap the rap.
Sampling at the Kumba Central Prison. First man for finish bread, water. First man for finish bread with water. Central Prison for Kumba. First man for finish bread and water.
Inspiration. I will give up. They reject the stone.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Dead position. Dead position.
Oh, my big. They will not sleep, oh. Now, why they are not able to sleep, oh. No, la people est le diabète. Et puis, tu mets le soumettre sur le cousin de la mort. They will sleep. I said, they will sleep. Thank you. Some more.
Yes. Live performance.
Come on. Okay. Let's do this shit, man. Go. Money on my mind, I'm thinking. And this is a flop. Together on my job site, I'm thinking of. In the rainy weather, I'm thinking of. In the sunny weather, I'm thinking of. In the hungry weather, I'm thinking. You gotta start sit down, but that is down the line. That will steady you down, that will cut you.
December, aye, baby, oh nana, aye, 24 December, aye, oh nana, 25 December, aye, baby, oh nana, 25 December, aye, oh nana, I promise together is love, you are my destiny, che, I promise to give you my heart.
Here, including me. Adena is here. So far, you will bless woman, you bless my organizing committee, then CY, you talk something about them, then Toshi will come now, you go rap. Toshi na area man, not be so. Yeah.
So what happens, Jesus? So at this juncture, that aspect will concern now only people the way they out of this place, and now still them go choose them because they don't go benefit everything. Where people they don't go find firewood for them, they outside. People the way they don't go find vegetables for them, work vegetables for them, they outside. For that side for Itiki, they outside, and they well behaved. While some of them will not block them inside because their behavior not if it permit we for keep them outside there. As it go outside there, the listing way so that when we keep on pointing a finger at ourselves, we keep on accusing ourselves, we will be false for change, for be a better person. So let's keep on doing well. Let's keep on doing good. Continuous change. Now it go fit one day lead you to this very cruel way she don't forget. You appear for their face. I don't see somebody work out with them. Yet they accuse old people the way they did for power for outside. They don't want to release power. The young people they did all for prison. They do it for inside prison. So nobody inside here, no merit an award of change. Nobody. Until you prove yourself to have changed. And at the day we will keep you outside.
I be Fiango man. I don't live most of my time now for this very Kumba. But I don't instead help some other town more than Kumba. So I decided to make a start visit my own people in truth. So now right away I decided to make a camp. Now my mom this, we did with 10. Me I be number 10 for this my mommy. And when I know say number 10 a dangerous number. No be lie. So I be danger begin. So I want to thank the boss and the workers that organize this event, because I tell myself a very short time, but when I see accept make we come. I stay in Avoboya. So as I don't start, now so I go to visit, because when God keep we long, make we continue to do something. Now very few people they reach 80 years. So we not even get plenty time for leave. So the short time we will get them. More try for leave happy. So my mommy birthday they come next month. So this one na part of a birthday we celebrate, and so for una own I no go fit come. We say more visit una too. This aspect of change is some very important thing. Where you go find say me una not fit be for your all una life, because una be deprived of certain things. So I go pray say me una try for change. Some people there where they not deserve, yes. Life not fit be fair for all man. So more una try una best as una there for here. Una cooperate with the authorities. Una safe una normal time. As see why talk. Una not be the following a good before una enter here. Na something bring una. So I just pray for all the best for all man, and long life for all man. And then I thank una so much. Next time I go still visit. I think it's my own end so. Thank you.
Take picture.
Yes.
It's a place there. We always keep all the bigger boys and the bigger girls in the city because of me. Yeah. That's what put you like you know the wish we are supposed to run down. Hey, baby, family, stop fighting, put down for push. Hey, baby, family, stop fighting, put down for push. Hey, baby, family, stop fighting, put down for push. Me no where beat, I say my face rough. Text on the parle, qu'elle est papa spirit. Now one let the horse go rock. Me walking now, valley, shadow, dark. Me fear no evil. Now you there with me. I hang for Gawada, machine, I'm toujours un for la zabon. La suite de paradise. Now who for la zabon, chasse jusqu'au paradis. Au pays de mountain, au pont, la brique gratuite. Better just na bolo, better just na dasso bolo. Nami dans l'auto, karawa. Lascia bomboletta!